Hello guys, I'm Flavio Belviso. Today I'll show you quickly how to add a background to an image. First of all, choose the image where you want to change the background. Done that, let's go to Fooocus. I have already uploaded a photo of mine on Inpaint or Outpaint. I delete with the white circle that I can enlarge or shrink the parts that I want to modify. I chose the method that in this case is specific for the background. I create a more or less exact prompt, requesting a television background with desk and generate the image. In this case, it is set with 2 examples of images. You can choose from many types of styles. Being Fooocus and artificial intelligence, it does not always provide the right result for now. You have to try several times, maybe finding the right prompt. Now we just have to wait. We got 2 different backgrounds that we can also remanipulate always on Fooocus. Isn't it amazing? Follow me to not miss all the features of Fooocus.